right, Auburn Mountainview. We've made it through quals, and we are going to kick off our alliance selection here pretty soon. Go ahead and turn your attention to the screens. First has made an amazing new video that explains alliance selection far better than I can, so go ahead and roll that video.
The top 8 teams move into the team captain positions of the playoff alliances. The number 1 team can select any team at the event to join their alliance. If the selected team declines the invitation, then another team is chosen until one accepts. Suppose Alliance 2 selects Alliance 4, but Alliance 4 declines and Alliance 2 selects another team which accepts. It's now Alliance 3's turn, but the same rule applies. Alliance 4 is not available, so Alliance 3 has to select another team from the available pool. And the next alliance can select any available team that hasn't declined an invitation. This process continues through Alliance 8. Notice that a previously unavailable team has become an alliance captain. At this point, any remaining team that has declined an invitation is not eligible to participate in the playoffs because they can't be selected. Alliance 8 now picks their 3rd team member from the remaining available teams. Alliance 7 picks their 3rd team member, and so on, all the way back to the number 1 alliance. All alliances are now full, so alliance selection is complete. But the next several teams need to be prepared to serve as backup teams if one of the selected teams can no longer compete. Listen for an announcement for how many teams will be asked to serve as backups. And be sure to let the head referee know if your team accepts that responsibility. Let's start our alliance selection.
And with that, we are going to go ahead and get started. I would like to welcome our number 8 seed team, Team 2976.
Team 2976 from Skyline High School in Sammamish, Washington, the Sparta Bombs.
And now, please welcome our number 7 team, Team 4450.
From Olympia High School, Levante High School, and Capitol High School in Olympia, Washington, it's the Olympia Robotics Federation.
And moving right along, please welcome our Alliance 6 captain, Team 5450.
Out of St. Helens High School in St. Helens, Oregon, the St. Helens Robotic and Engineering Club, Shrek.
And now welcoming our Alliance 5 captain, it's Team 948.
From Newport Senior High School in Bellevue, Washington, the Newport Robotics Group, NRG.
And now we're moving right along to Alliance 4. And our captain team is Team 3588.
From Renton, Washington and Lindbergh Senior High School, Team 3588 is the Talon.
And now on to Alliance captain number 3. Give it up for Team 5827.
All the way from Kirkland, Washington and Lake Washington High School, it's Code Purple.
And now, Alliance captain number 2. Please welcome Team 1983.
A 4-H team out of Seattle, Washington, Team 1983, Skunk Works Robotics.
And finally, it is my pleasure to introduce our number 1 seed, and that is Team 2046.
From Tahoma Senior High School in Maple Valley, Team 2046 is Bare Metal!
All right, everyone. We are going to go ahead and get our picks started. 2046.
Team 2046 would like to eliminate their chance of Kodiak arrest and invite Team 1983 to join our alliance.
Team
1983
1983.
Skunkworks Robotics.
So, y'all ever hear of Bear Works? Because that's about to happen. Yes. Thank you so much.
All right. So, since Team 1983 accepted that alliance, our alliance captains are going to shift up a hatch panel, and we are going to welcome another team to the field. And I'm going to double check that that is going to be
Team 1258.
Thanks, Brett.
Seabot from Seattle Lutheran High School in Seattle.
All right. So, alliance captain number 2 is now Team 5827. Who is your pick?
Team 5827 would like to graciously invite Team 2976.
2976.
From Skyline High School in Sammamish, it's the Spartabots.
Team 2976 graciously accepts.
All righty. And again, we are going to invite another team on out.
Coming onto the
And-
field, Team 4205 from Cedro Woolley High School, the RoboCubs.
All right. Alliance Captain 3, Team 3588. Who is your choice?
Team 3588 would like to graciously invite 5937.
5937.
From Mercer Island High School in Mercer Island, Washington, Team 5937 is MI Robotics.
Team 5937 graciously accepts.
All righty. And moving right along to Alliance Captain 4, Team 948.
Team 948 would graciously like to invite Team 3574.
3574.
Out of a 4-H club in Seattle, Washington, and Highline High School, Team 3574, the High Techers.
Team 3574 graciously accepts.
All righty. We are moving right along to Alliance number 5, led by Captain 5450. Are you ready? It's okay if you're not. I can tell more really great space jokes. Thanks, team. All right. Well, now I have to think of a joke. Perfect.
Team 5450 would like to invite Team 1899 to join our alliance.
1899.
Team 1899 from Interlake Senior High School in Bellevue, Washington, Saints Robotics.
$18.99 graciously accepts.
Alrighty then. Alliance Captain number 6, Team 4450.
Could I get some Jeopardy music for a second?
Ooh, is our Jeopardy music cued? It was a special request. They'll get it soon. You don't want me to improv, so. The audience is doing phenomenal, though. Now you. Pretend like you're not ready now that they got it. Keep thinking, nice and hard. All right, 4450. was ready before the Jeopardy music actually played. We just didn't want AV to get mad. Who would you like to invite?
Team 4450 would like to graciously offer Team 4450 would like to invite Team 4915 to our alliance.
4950.
4915 out of Bainbridge High School on Bainbridge Island. That's Spartronics.
Team 4915 graciously accepts.
Okie dokie, we're moving right along. Alliance number 7, led by Team 1258.
Team 1258 would like to graciously invite Team 2412.
2412.
Team 2412 from Sammamish Senior High School in Bellevue, Washington, the Robototes.
Team 2412 gratefully accepts.
All right. Moving right along, we have our number 8 Alliance Captain, Team 4205.
Team 4205 would like to invite Team 2907.
2907.
From right here at Auburn Mountainview High School in Auburn Mountainview, Washington, Team 2907, Lion Robotics.
Team 2907 gratefully accepts.
All right. So, we are going to let our number 8 Alliance have a moment to think about the next team they would like to invite. During this time, I would like to remind you that our senior photo is going to take place right after Alliance selection. So seniors, if you're on the field right now, be sure to stick around for the photo. If you're in the stands, come on down and we'll snap a photo real quick. Alliance captains, you will also need to stay on the field for a captain's meeting with our head referee and FTA. It is very imperative that you do not leave. They will come find you and they are scary. Hey, Alliance 8 is ready. They're ready. Yeah. All right.
Team 4205 and Team 2907 would like to invite Team 2557.
2557.
Team 2557 from the Industrial Design and Engineering and Art High School, the Science and Math Institute, and the School of the Arts in Tacoma, the Soda Bots.
Team 2557 graciously accepts.
All right. Give a round of applause for your number 8 Alliance. Moving right along. Alliance number 7. Do you need a minute?
Yes, play the Jeopardy again.
Well, I want to tell a joke. I've thought of a joke. All right. Our technical director, Eric Stokely, told me this joke this morning, and it goes like this. How do you keep the International Space Station warm? With a space heater. Thanks, guys. I don't have many more jokes, but I'm taking submissions if you want. What? All right, this one comes straight from our FTA, John Grimm. Why did the sun go to school? To get brighter. Nice job, John. All right, Alliance 7.
Team 1258
And Team 2412.
would like to graciously invite
Team 5588.
5588.
Team 5588 from Holy Names Academy in Seattle, it's Rain Robotics.
Team 5588 graciously accepts.
All right, that is your number 7 Alliance. Number 6, are you ready?
Not quite.
I am running out of jokes.
I'm sorry.
And they're not very good anyway.
How about puns?
that Jeopardy.
Hi, my name is Maggie. I'm an alumni of Team 948, and I have a space joke for you all. Have you heard about the restaurant on the moon? Great food, no atmosphere.
Thanks, Maggie. I am sure we are going to become the funniest district in the world. There's going to be numerous Chief Delphi posts about how wonderful we are, how hilarious we are. Hey, Brett, we're the funniest looking MCGA crew I've ever seen. So,
You know, my mother used to say, "You're funny, Brett, but looks aren't everything."
hey, man, I got you.
Team 4450 and Team 4915 would like to graciously invite Team 6350.
6350.
Team 6350 from Enumclaw Senior High School in Enumclaw, Washington, the Clawbots.
Team 6350 graciously accepts.
Alrighty. Give it up for your number 6 alliance. And moving right along to number 5. Y'all look ready and sick of my jokes, so let's go.
Teams 5450
And Team 1899.
would like to invite Team 488 to join our alliance.
From Franklin High School in Seattle, Washington, Team 488, Team X-Spot.
What time is it? We accept.
All right. That is your number 5 alliance. Alliance Captain 4, are you ready? Not yet. All right. Well, as you all know, this is a very big decision for our alliance captains. There has been a lot of work going into scouting, watching matches. There are whole teams of students dedicated to watching matches and trying to pick robots that will best complement their own team's robot in order to maximize their chance of success in the playoffs. So, we want you to take your time. You deserve to make a good, well-informed pick. Number 1, you should be ready when I get there. All right, number 4 is ready.
Team 948 and
Team 3574.
would like to graciously invite Team 4060.
Team 4060.
From WF West High School in Chehalis, Washington, Team 4060, Bearcat Robotics.
Welcome.
Team 4060 graciously accepts.
Congratulations. All right, Alliance 3 is ready to go.
So, Team 3588 and
5937
would like to graciously invite 4131.
4131.
Team 4131 from Liberty Senior High School in Renton, Washington. It's the Iron Patriots.
Team 4131 gratefully accepts.
And there's your number 3 alliance. Moving right along to number 2.
Team 5827
and 2976
would like to graciously invite Team 2097.
2097.
From Raisbeck Aviation High School in Tukwila, Washington, it's Team 2097, Phoenix Force Robotics.
Team 2097 graciously accepts.
All right. And we have gotten to Alliance Captain number 1. Aaron, did you say you had a joke? Oh, that's right. Head refs can't be funny. You're so far away. All right, are you ready? They're not ready. We've got 2 jokes lined up. One is, how do you get a baby alien to sleep? You rock it. And our last audience joke submission coming at you from 5450.
How do you know when the moon is full? Oh, damn, I messed up the joke. I don't have another one. How do you know when the moon's had enough to eat? When it's full. Bye, everyone. I lost the game.
All right. Auburn Mountainview, you are such a fun crowd. Our Alliance number 1 is ready.
Team 2046
And Team 1983.
would like to eliminate their chance of Kodiak arrest and invite Team 3237 to join our alliance.
3237.
Team 3237 from Bethel High School in Spanaway, Washington, it's Event Horizon.
Team 3237 would like to graciously accept.
Woo! There is your number 1 alliance. Congratulations to all the teams that got picked to play in the playoffs. Now, like I mentioned earlier, we need the next few teams to stick around. We're gonna check to see if you wanna play as potential backup robots. That is gonna get handled over there. Alliance captains, you need to stay on the field. You have an Alliance captain meeting with our head ref and our FTA. And seniors, if you wanna be in our senior photo, you can come on down. Brett, remind me what time we're coming back from lunch? We are coming back from lunch and starting playoff matches at 1 o'clock. All right. Seniors.